This weekend, many parents will head to the local pool or maybe even fill up the inflatable one in the backyard. But before you put on your swimsuits, we have a few life-saving reminders for you. Now, joining me now is Lynchburg Fire Marshal Greg Wormser. Good to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
We do this segment every year, but it's just so important. It's stuff that we don't want to forget.
Absolutely.
You guys, how many pool emergencies would you say you guys respond to in a given season?
In a given season, we probably respond to 2 to 3 pool emergencies. And we're talking about true emergencies, possible drownings, people that have been injured while diving, something like that.
What's the last one that you responded to?
We had 2 incidents last year. One of them actually involved a hot tub. And so we want to remind folks that hot tubs are oftentimes just as dangerous as pools, especially for the little ones.
What are the rules for parents, either at a public pool or at a private pool? What should they know?
No matter where the parents are, always keep track of your kids. Always pay attention to what your kids are doing. The lifeguards are there to help save a life if there's a true emergency, but they're really not there to babysit. So the number one thing is keep your eyes on your kids and make sure that you and your children know the swimming limits. Whether you're at the pool or at the lake or wherever you might be, know what your limits are and don't try to go past those limits.
Right. What about those inflatable pools? I think sometimes parents get those thinking that they might be a little safer, the really shallow ones, but that's not necessarily the case.
Not necessarily the case. The shallow pools like that are easier to access for kids and teenagers that might live in the neighborhood because there's no fence around them.
Right.
And so they're just as dangerous. And if they collapse due to the water shift, they can actually suffocate a child or suffocate somebody that's inside. So we want people to be really cognizant and aware of the fact that having one of those pools isn't necessarily safer.
Definitely. All right. Thank you, Greg. We appreciate it.